Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you why this screen protector is so important for your tablet. This Supershieldz Screen Protector is designed for the iPad. That is the 10.2 inch, and I love it because it is so easy to install. You just need to clean off your screen with the little wipe that they provide for you, and you're able to get it on there bubble free, and it comes with a little card to slide out any bubbles that may be on there, but generally if you can clean it really well, it's not too bad. I do like that it's made from a high quality film so that it's easy to install, but there is no residue, or it doesn't take away from the sensitivity, so you're able to still use your touchscreen with no issues. It's just a flawless touchscreen accuracy. And I love that it's just going to protect that screen from everyday use, daily scratches, easy to dust, and you don't have to worry about scraping it up, especially when you have it in a case with a screen protector. In this pack, you get 3 screen protectors. So good thing about it is if for some reason anything happens to the first one, you definitely have another one. Overall, I'm a big advocate for always protecting any kind of screen, especially an investment like a tablet. So if you have an iPad that you need to protect, I would highly recommend the Supershieldz Screen Protector, and that is my point of view.